Hello and welcome to the BMC Quick Course series. In this quick course, I'll show you how to use APPTUNE to monitor your DB2 system from an object-based reporting process. We begin with our SQL Performance for DB2 main menu. Type Q for APPTUNE and index component and press Enter. Choose option 1, SQL Workload, and press Enter. Select option 1, Workload Analysis, press Enter. This brings us to the Subsystem Analysis report. Since we are responding to a complaint about poor response time for an application executing on system DJJ1, let's enter option O on the DJJ1 line. This is for object analysis. Now that we are on the object analysis report, we can choose any of the options shown at the top of the panel. The available options change depending on where you are in the product. You can always use any action shown on a panel. Since the get page percent is in red, let's look at our buffer pools, type B, and press Enter. From here, the buffer pool analysis report, we see that BP0 also has a problem with being overutilized with a 95% get page metric. Let's look at the databases in BP0, type D, and press Enter. Here we see the database BMCPA is our culprit. Let's look at the page sets, type P, and press Enter. Now let's take a side trip to show how APPTUNE integrates into the DB2 system by issuing a page set display command. Type P and press Enter. This takes us to the command interface prompt, where the display command has been pre-populated for us. Simply hit Enter. Here is the display command's results. All seems to be okay. The page set is in RW status without any restrictions. Press F3 to return to APPTUNE reporting. Let's continue with our exploration by looking at the table and index. Type T and press Enter. Here is our table. Now let's look at the statements. Type S next to the object and press Enter. Here are our statements. Type S next to the first entry and press Enter. This is the object and SQL statement detail report. We can see that our statement type is dynamic and the call type is cursor. Notice that one of our selections is an R, which is recommendations. APPTUNE provides suggestions on how to improve SQL statement performance. Being curious, I'm going to enter an R and press Enter. This is a report of the SQL statement recommendations. Notice the Dynamic SQL Analysis heading. This is the beginning of the recommendation report. Let's page down for more information. Hit PF8. Note, analysis has found a possible cause of our performance problem. Buffer pool hit ratio is poor. Let's investigate further. Hit PF8. Here we see table bmcpa.daily_statement_status is the big user of I/O. Hit PF8 to continue. Could this be a possible solution? We have a poor hit ratio and lots of get pages. So increasing the buffer pool size or moving the objects into their own buffer pool should resolve both of these issues. This concludes the SQL Performance Object Reporting. Thank you for your time.